Microwave safe containers.
Hi, it's Jackie, and my cup of coffee has gone cold, so I'm going to use the microwave to heat it up. Have you ever used a microwave? Microwaves are great for cooking things really quickly or for heating things up when they're cold. But not everything is safe to use in a microwave. And in this video, we're going to find out what you can and you can't use. Let's take a look.
The best containers to use in a microwave are those that are specifically made for a microwave. These containers are made of plastic and have a lid with a vent. When using a microwave container, always put the lid on and press the vent to open it before using it in the microwave. Always check the container or plate before using it in the microwave. Flip it over, and at the bottom of the container or plate, it may tell you if you can use it in the microwave. Food in a microwave always needs to be covered. You can cover the food with a microwave lid, or by putting the lid of the container on just loosely, or by using paper towel. Usually, ceramic plates, cups, and bowls are good choices to use to heat things up quickly in the microwave. Plastics are usually not good choices for the microwave. This includes plastic cups, plastic wrap, and water bottles. Things made of metal are not good choices for the microwave. This includes spoons, knives and forks, saucepans, metal bowls, alfoil, or tins of food. These are not safe to use in a microwave. Remember, always use a container that is microwave safe. Always open the vent of a microwave container. Always cover food. And always ask for help if you're not sure.